So today I wanted to do a quick video on editing in Canva and kind of how to do that. So I have a PLR product. So a lot of people know if you're in digital marketing, you want to build your email list. What is the best way to build an email list but to have a freebie, something that you can give to someone that's going to help them with one of their pain points, help solve a problem, something that somebody wants. So I have a freebie, which is right here. Basically, it's how to make money online with digital marketing and digital products. So what this one is, this is one that I actually sell in my store that people can actually take. They can edit it. It's considered a PLR product, private label rights. And private label rights means that you can just basically take this product, you make it your own. You can resell it at any price, that point that you want. You can give it away for free, whatever works best for you. So when you get this template from me, basically what it looks like is this. So you'll click the link and then you get started. So we're going to go in and we're going to edit this. So you click that and it's going to take you into Canva where then you can edit this. Okay. So we're getting it loaded. But what you always want to do is you want to make sure that you change the title, you make it different, you make it your own. That's usually with PLR. It's just a nice thing to do to honestly just change that. So if you want to change the title, basically what you're going to do is, let's see here, let's change this to, just take out that. We're just changing those words. So we can make it say complete digital marketing guide. So you can kind of change that. You can change this. Let's see here. So basically I'm just doing edits where I click onto that, taking words out, make money online with digital marketing and digital products. You can then change colors. You can do any of that. So you want to just make sure that you're changing things. Let's see, like right here, you can click on this. You can then put your username depending on what you are, where you are. If you're marketing this on Facebook, you're marketing this on Instagram, whatever you want to do, you can do that. You can just put your name there. You can change that. All right, so if you click right here on this white, I don't know if you can see here I'm clicking, it gives you then up here on this left corner, background color. So I click that. This then will take me over here to different colors. And what's nice with Canva is you can make a color palette. You can change different things. And I'm in the free version of Canva, by the way. So this is the free version. But say we just click the pink here. So see, the back changes to pink, or you can change it to that color. You can change it to whatever your brand colors are, whatever works for you with that. So say, let's see, I don't like that one as much. Let's do a little bit lighter. Okay, so you can change it to that. You can have different colors and just make it different. All right, so right here, I'm going to highlight now this title here. Now, if you go up here to effects, which is right above here, I'm going to click effects. And over here, this is where you can then change and you can add shadowing. You can do different things. So like if I click that, see how that changes that. You can change it. You can change the background color right there to other things. So you can put like a pink in there. So see how you can do all of those things. So it makes it kind of fun. So you get to be able to do that. All right. So I just wanted to kind of show you how that works. So we can go back up here and just leave it that way. But then going down here, so you can also, with a PLR product, you can actually change the words. You can add your own expert advice. You can do whatever works best for you with this. But all this is set up so you can then just type your name here. So Adrienne is my name, so I'll go ahead and put that there. So right here, for instance, you can add pictures. Again, username, brand here, whatever that may be. If you click right here on these pictures, let's see here, you can go over to elements, which is here on the left side. If you go to elements on this left side right here, you can go up into the search bar. Let's do social media. And then if you scroll down, you have graphics, you have photos, you have different things. So let's go look at photos. And since I'm doing the free version, you want to stay away from everything that has this pro or the crown kind of looking thing on it. So here is this. Whoops, I didn't mean to click that. So you can just slide that over. So nothing is, you can change stuff, which is really bit nice. All right, so you can slide this right over here and see how I put it directly into that picture. So I can add certain things like that. So you basically can just add to all of this. You can change pages as you go. So right here, I want to change, maybe I want to put the color again. I want to go back. I want to put this color, so you can change any of these items. Here's for your username. Go along here, you can change the font. You can make it different. See, we can do something like that to just make it different. You can add different shadows again with like a background. There's pink again or purple, whatever works best for you with your products. But this is the guide that I do share with people so they can actually create things and be able to get traffic to their website so they can collect an email address and do all of that. So this is my done for you product. It's 18 pages with that. So then somebody basically will buy this from me, then they can edit it, do whatever they want with it. And then that way they can either use it as a freebie or you can use it to sell it in your store. It gives you a lot of different options, but Canva is one of my favorites. Over here I just click text and see there's all these different things over here that you can do. I love the different elements. There's graphics, there's videos, and all of these things can be done. You can make changes however you see fit. And then basically, if you're wanting to do that, if you click over here and click share on the right hand side, you can come down and right here is template link. So what you clicked on was template link before, which takes you straight to Canva where then you can edit it. If you're wanting to just give it away as a freebie and you don't want someone to edit, which is what I would highly suggest, if you're giving away as a freebie, you probably want to take out those PLR rights on that, only because you may end up getting more people who just want to come and get your book. So you want to make sure that you're being careful with that because you want people who are interested in what you're doing so they can find out more about stuff. And then that way you're there on your email list and you can share with them. So then you can click download. You can change it like PDF. Those kinds of things will work best for that. So someone can just download it themselves. And then you download it, make sure that you save it and upload it to whatever store or whatever you're doing. And that's that. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, just make sure to subscribe. I do like to share lots of helpful tips and tricks and ways to help you out.